Okay, time for our third example. Two canoes travel down a river starting at 9 a.m. One canoe travels twice as fast as the other. After 3.5 hours, the canoes are 5.25 miles apart. Find the speed of each canoe. First thing I want to do is put my chart up here. So what do I know about, I've got a fast canoe and I've got a slow canoe. What do I know about the rates of these canoes? Well, I don't know anybody's rate specifically, but it says that one canoe is twice as fast as the other. So if the slow canoe is X, the fast canoe is 2X because it's twice as fast. Okay, what do I know about the time? They've both been traveling for 3.5 hours. Okay, if the time of day is given in the problem, just throw it away. The time of day doesn't matter at all. The only thing you care about is the travel time. Don't worry about any times that are given in there unless maybe we want to say, oh, they stopped at 12:30, but the 9 a.m. doesn't go anywhere. So we have 3.5 hours for both of those. That time has to be a travel time. Okay, what do I know about the distances? Well, let's just look and say, okay, here's my fast canoe. It goes that far. Here is my slow canoe. It doesn't go quite as far. Do I know anything else? Well, it says after 3.5 hours, the canoes are 5.25 miles apart. So that part right there, the distance between those canoes is 5.25 miles. So do they go the same distance? No, they don't. If the slow canoe goes the distance d, how far does the fast canoe go? It goes d plus 5.25. Okay, so we have our chart filled out. That's the first third of the problem. For the next third, we want to get our equations. And remember, rate times time equals distance. 2x times 3.5 is 7x. That's equal to d plus 5.25. X times 3.5, that's 3.5x. And that's equal to d. First third of the problem is to organize the information. Second third of the problem is to get those equations. Now again, this is pretty easy for substitution because d in the second equation is solved for. So I'll just plug it in. And I have 7x equals 3.5x plus 5.25. Subtract 3.5x from both sides. So I have 3.5x equals 5.25. And divide by 3.5. So I have x equals 1.5. Let's see what that means. That the slow canoe is going 1.5 miles per hour. And the fast canoe would be going 3 miles an hour. 2 times 1.5 would give me 3.